Almost every trader knows the stochastic oscillator. Almost nobody uses its sharper cousin, the stochastic momentum index. Same family, completely different engine. The regular stochastic tells you where price closed inside its recent range. The stochastic momentum index tells you where price closed relative to the midpoint of that range, then smooths the result twice. The output is cleaner, the fake signals drop, and the crosses actually mean something. Today, the AI gives you the exact settings for the 5-minute, 15-minute, and 1-hour charts, a complete strategy for each, and a confirmation tool to pair with every setup. One thing before the settings. The full guide for this indicator, with every setting and the exact entry rules, is free in the description below. Grab it before the end of the video. This indicator has 3 inputs, and you need all 3, because each one controls a different part of the machine. The %K length sets the look-back window, how many candles of highs and lows the indicator measures against. The %D length controls the double smoothing that removes the noise, and the signal length controls the exponential moving average line plotted on top, the line the indicator crosses to generate signals. The readings run from +100 to -100, with +40 and -40 as the overbought and oversold zones. Now, timeframe by timeframe. Start with the 5-minute chart. 2 options here. The standard scalping setup is %K length 10, %D length 3, signal length 3. That is the default, and on the 5-minute chart it behaves well, because the double smoothing is already doing the noise filtering that other oscillators make you do yourself. The faster option is %K length 5, %D length 3, signal length 3. Shortening the lookback to 5 makes the indicator react to the last 25 minutes of price instead of the last 50. You keep the smoothing intact, so the line stays clean, but turns show up a candle or two earlier. Use the faster version in active sessions with real movement. In a quiet market, it will flip long and short all morning and eat your account one small loss at a time. The 5-minute strategy is the extreme zone exit cross. Wait for the stochastic momentum index to push beyond +40 or -40. That is the setup, not the signal. The signal fires when the indicator line crosses back over its signal line while leaving the extreme zone. Deep below -40, then a cross up through the signal line as it climbs back out. That is the long trigger. The pairing is the volume-weighted average price. Only take longs when price is reclaiming or holding above the volume-weighted average price, and shorts when price is rejecting or holding below it. The oscillator times the entry. The volume-weighted average price tells you which side of the market the real money is on. Stop goes below the low that produced the oversold reading. Target 2 to 1 minimum. Now the 15-minute chart. The standard setup here is the same 10, 3, and 3. It tracks about 2.5 hours of price action, which suits intraday swings. The conservative option is %K length 14, %D length 5, signal length 5. 3 changes, 1 goal. The longer lookback widens the window so only meaningful swings register. The heavier %D smoothing flattens the small wobbles, and the slower signal line makes crosses rarer and more deliberate. You will get fewer trades, and the ones you get carry more weight. The 15-minute strategy is the zero-line cross with a trend filter. When the stochastic momentum index crosses from negative to positive territory, momentum has genuinely shifted to the upside because the double smoothing means zero-line crosses are not casual events on this indicator. That cross is your long trigger, and the cross down through 0 is your short trigger. The filter is the 20-period exponential moving average. Take the long cross only when price is above the 20 exponential moving average. Take the short cross only when price is below it. When the oscillator and the moving average disagree, you skip the trade. No exceptions. Most losing trades on this setup come from taking zero-line crosses against the short-term trend. Stop below the most recent swing low, target the prior swing high, or a fixed 2 to 1. On to the 1-hour chart. The swing setup is %K length 14, %D length 4, signal length 4, slightly wider lookback than default, moderate smoothing, and a signal line quick enough to catch hourly turns without whipsawing you. The position trader option is %K, length 20, %D, length 6, signal length 6. That reads nearly a full trading week of hourly candles, smooths it heavily, and signals maybe a few times a month per market. Slow, but when it fires, it usually marks a swing that lasts days. The 1 hour strategy is the extreme zone reversal with a structure check. Wait for a reading beyond +40 or -40, then watch for two things together. First, the cross back through the signal line, the same trigger you used on the 5-minute chart. Second, a divergence check. If price just made a lower low, but the stochastic momentum index made a higher low, sellers are running out of force, and the reversal signal is significantly stronger. The pairing here is the 50-period simple moving average as your bias line. Reversal longs are strongest when the setup forms at or above a flat or rising 50 simple moving average. If the 50 is falling hard, the bounce may only be a pullback in a downtrend, so take profit faster. Stop beyond the extreme swing point, target the zero line region first, then the opposite zone if momentum keeps building. Before the close, the mistake that costs traders the most with this indicator, treating +40 and -40 like automatic reversal buttons. In a strong trend, the stochastic momentum index can pin above +40 for hours and keep grinding higher. The extreme zone is a warning light, not a trade. The trade is the cross back out, confirmed by your filter. Miss that distinction and this indicator will hurt you exactly the way the regular stochastic hurts everyone else. The free guide is in the description below. It covers every setting and strategy in this video in full detail, including the full entry rules for all 3 timeframes. Educational, not financial advice. The AI will see you in the next one.